The Nokia X6. Instead of dealing with customs, I managed to pick one up on my trip to Taipei, and in today's video, let's unbox this phone, take a quick look, and also give it away. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. Well, this is a giveaway video, but then we also have another one running, so you can check that out here. I'll also be leaving a link to it in the description below, and while you're down there, click that bell icon to become part of our notification squad. Well, let's now get to the X6. So here's the box the Nokia X6 comes in. We've got some specs to the back. Opening it up, we have the X6 itself. Let's talk about it in a bit. We then have a USB Type-C cable, a travel adapter, some regular leaflets, and a soft case. Let's now get back to the X6 and take it out of its protective plastic. Peeling the sticker off the back. The phone looks nice. The case fits snug. I always am happy when brands throw in cases in the box. It's a small gesture but super useful. Anyway, let's now take a closer look at this phone. We have a glossy glass back in here along with metal accents around the raised camera module as well as the fingerprint sensor. If you like the designs of the Nokia 7 Plus or the Nokia 80, you're gonna absolutely love this one. This glass sandwich design is all held together by an aluminum frame. Now along the top edge we have the 3.5mm headphone jack along with the secondary noise cancelling microphone. The power button and the volume rockers can be found to the right. To the left is where you find the hybrid SIM slot, and the speaker, USB Type-C port and microphone can be found to the bottom. The 5.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen dominates the front. HMD Global has chosen to go with a 19:9 panel here, and yes, that means the notch is present up top. It houses the sensors, in-call speaker, as well as the front-facing 16-megapixel camera. Now, I don't hate the notch, but I also know people who do. So let's just hope that the international version of the X6, at least with that, HMD Global includes an option to hide the notch. Anyway, moving on, the display seems quite vibrant with decent colors and good brightness levels. As far as internals go, we have a Snapdragon 636 running things here. It's a good mid-range chip. We've already seen it on phones like the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Zenfone Max Pro, so we expect performance to be top-notch. Top-notch. Anyway, sounded better when we wrote it. On the gaming front, we have the Adreno 509 GPU handling all the graphic duties. When it comes to memory, we've got 432 and 664 RAM storage options available, and there's a 3060 mAh battery backing all this up. By the way, there's also support for Quick Charge 3.0 on board. Let's now move on to the software side of things. Here we have stock 8.1 Android Oreo. Since this is the Chinese version, it's not exactly stock, it's a little bit little skin. So I'm going to really not focus on the software here as the international version should come under the Android One program. So plain stock Android. That said, I still do love the gesture-based navigation control Nokia has on its Chinese firmware, and I'd love to see that on Go Global too. By the way, we also have a face unlock powered by AI. Talking about face unlock, on the camera front, we've got a 16-megapixel primary shooter with an f2.0 aperture. The secondary camera to the back is a 5-megapixel monochrome unit with bigger 1.2 micron sized pixels and an f2.2 aperture. The images that you're seeing were shot with these cameras. Let us know how they fared. And with that, we move on to pricing. We don't have anything official for India, but given the Chinese pricing of $12.99 or $200, I expect this to launch around 14,500 in India. Again, like I said, there's nothing official at this point, even as far as launch dates go. I will, however, keep you updated, let you know as soon as I have more information. So do follow me on Twitter at C4E Tech. Now, at these prices, I think the X6 will do quite well since it's very competitive, even with a Max Pro or a Note 5 Pro. Anyway, more on all that in the full review. If you know someone who's looking to buy a mid-range device, then do share this video with them. Enough, I must bid. Oh, wait, I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, the giveaway. So if you've participated in a C4E Tech giveaway in the past, like the OnePlus 6 giveaway, which is currently running, then I'm sure you know what to do. But if you are new, well, there is a link in the description below. Click it and it will take you to a page like this. You just need to be subscribed to C4eTech to enter. To improve your odds, you have a few other self-explanatory options. And this is an international giveaway. It doesn't matter where you are from, you can enter. The giveaway will run for 3 weeks this month till the 29th of June, and a winner will be announced by the 1st of July on Twitter and Ash Answers. Alternatively, you can click the same link you used to enter to check for the winner. So good luck, guys. This is just a small gesture, a small way of us thanking you for your continued support. And now, I must really bid you adieu. If you hated this video, you know what to do. But if you did like it, if you want to see more videos like this, including giveaways on C4eTech, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.